Okay, I've tried something new here for editing the ePub file to get rid of those errors. I've uploaded that new file. Let's see if it works. If it does, I'll show you what I did. If it doesn't, I'll go back to the drawing board. Here we go. Do, 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 do. All right, come on, come on, come on. Yes, yes, yes. It worked. Oh man, that's so cool. Okay, all right, let me show you what I did. So let's open Sigil here. So I installed some software, Sigil. So right here is where you can download it, sigil-ebook.com. And you're going to go into Sigil and to download. And then you'll download for Mac or Windows or Linux. Once you've downloaded that, let's see, let's open it up. So pretty easy to use. Just go to File, Open, navigate to your ebook. I put mine on the desktop, hit Open. And here's all your files over here. You just go into, there's the OEBS content, so just double click on that. And again, like we looked at before, update the date so it doesn't say October 10th, 2025, but it says 2025-10-October, whatever your date is. There, make it a numeric format, and then you can actually expand this out so it's a little more readable. Let's do that. Come on, come on. Oh, let's just grab the corner. Oh, see, it wants to. Man. Okay. Anyway, you can stretch this out somehow. Worked earlier, so that you can see the lines of code a little more readable. And just come down to the other one and remove and replace, which was the x dot whatever DDF thingy that I had before with the the vnd.ms dash open type. So replaced all of those, updated the date, and then I just closed this right here and went up to, let's see, where was the little save icon? That's probably, come on, let me stretch it out. Let's just do this. There we go. Okay, so there it is, little save button, clicked save. That saved the current book, and then I went ahead and closed out of Sigil. And then I went back over into here and to IngramSpark and just selected that file. So I didn't have to do any unzipping or any of that stuff for it to work. So I am so happy now. And I'm going to continue on here to the rest. So let's go ahead and hit continue and confirm the book's information. Let's see, that should be all right. There's the print book details. I should probably double check that. Let's see. Where is, I believe, right here. No. Where is it? Resources, ISBN tracker. Let's preview that. So my ebook is 3-0. Okay, good. And the paperback is 1-6. Okay, that is correct. Okay, authorize Ingram. So what I don't know now is, let's see, is how I order the, what's it called, the proofs, because I know you can order proofs through IngramSpark, but I'm not exactly sure how. But I'm going to go ahead and complete the submission because I think I've got everything that I need for this paperback and the ebook. So I don't know what's going to happen. I should sing the doot 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 song again, maybe. or you can listen to the dryer in the background drying our clothes. Okay, so what is this? Oh, there's everything I need to know about proofs. Okay, well, let's I'm gonna watch a video. Okay, uploaded your book, but what's next? For prints, in 3 to 5 days, you'll receive a digital proof, review the proof, order a print copy to review. Okay, so I guess at this point, we just sit and wait until we get that notification of a digital proof and work on ordering our other proof. In the meantime, I'm going to watch this video and celebrate something that finally actually worked.